Hey guys, I'm here in my 2009 Mini Cooper R56. I noticed that this, I'll work on cars some other times, that this A-pillar trim does not sit flat. It keeps popping off on the top here. On the other side, it doesn't do that. Let me show you. Okay, here's the passenger side A-pillar. So you see it actually sits flat. When I push on it, you don't get that spongy feel. So I know this is on tight. So let's go back to the other side and see what's wrong with the other one. So basically this is held on by some snap clips. So what I found out was, just pop it off. So they probably have to do this when they change out the windshield. So they're held on by these white clips here, and I noticed that this one, let me get it better. This one is lost its collapse kind of. Let me pop it out. It just slides out. So I pulled out the clip. It's these type of clips that hold on that A-pillar trim, and if I squeeze this, I can feel that they squeeze in pretty easily. So I don't think they're supposed to do that. So what I did is on Amazon, I picked up this kit here. It's a 124 piece Mini Cooper retainer assortment kit clips. So it doesn't have all the clips because I've done other stuff inside the car and didn't have all the clips, but this is what it does have. So these are the different clips, 6 different clips, and that's the one I need right there, which is that one, which looks like this. So if I look at these clips, I can feel that the clips it's nice and tight. There's you can't really squeeze in these pieces. So let me go ahead and pop this one in and see if it fits better. Okay, I have the new retainer in. So when you pop it back in, be careful that this corner does not catch on this as it's going in, that it's actually underneath this rubber thing, otherwise it's going to break off. Mine broke off. I had to glue it back on this little corner piece, so be careful about that. So you want to make sure it's underneath it. And there it goes. You can feel that it's nice and snug in there. It doesn't want to pop back out. So instead of trying to do the quick fix and RTVing this on or something, which will make a pain in the butt if the windshield never needs to be replaced, go ahead and check the retainer clip first to see if it's busted. If it is, most likely it is, go ahead and just place it out, which is really easy. So quick fix on your A-pillar trim if it's not sitting flush. Thanks for watching.